So my mom, she usually does the cooking and the washing, but she's not going to be home for like 2 days, and she's coming back on the third. So it's just me and my brother, and so I need to cook for him. And all the food I'll make for him will be halal, but she made one meal before leaving and put it in a plate for him. Now he's already eaten the food, but he doesn't do any chores like washing. So I'm allowed to wash this plate he ate from, which had non-halal beef. Otherwise, it'll be sitting on the table for like 2 or 3 days. And there's some bits of food left in it that needs to be thrown. Also, if this is a second question, you can ignore if you want, but and just answer the other one. But
No
could you tell me
problem,
generally?
no problem in disposing of haram food in the trash, washing the plates, and as long as you have not prepared the haram food or served it. There's no problem in that. The evidence is what's in the hadith as-sahih, where the Prophet ﷺ was asked about the permissibility of eating in the plates or utensils of the people of the book, acknowledging that they might have eaten pork or consumed haram in it. The Prophet said, yes, if you wash it before consuming anything in it. Washing it means that you've washed something that was najis, that was used by a disbeliever in eating or consuming haram things, and this is permissible.